In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to assemble your Sloom Upholstered Bed Frame. Step 1. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you need. One headboard or headpiece, one foot end, 2 side rails, one center rail, there will be 2 for the Cape Town King and none for the single bed frames, 4 wooden legs, 14 wooden slats, 15 for extra lengths, 12 M8 20mm hexagon bolts, 28 30mm countersunk bolts, 30 for the extra lengths, and one 13mm spanner. Step 2. Lay out the components. Identify all the components and lay them out as shown in the diagram provided in your manual. This helps ensure you have all the parts and makes assembly easier. Step 3. Attach the wooden legs. Fasten the wooden legs to the bottom of each side rail. Note that the staples should be at the bottom. This step provides stability to your frame. Step 4. Connect the side rails. Loosely screw the 12 bolts into the ends, leaving a few millimeters open. Attach the side rail corner brackets to the ends, resting the bolt over the brackets. Step 5. Attach the center rail brackets to the ends, resting the brackets over the bolts. Once all 4 sides and corners are in place, tighten the bolts with the spanner. Step 6. Install the wooden slats. Position the wooden slats onto the frame and fasten them with the countersunk bolts. Ensure that the countersunk holes face the top. This will create a sturdy and even surface for your mattress. Don't forget to do these final checks. Make sure all bolts are tightly secured. Check the stability of the frame. Ensure all components are correctly placed and aligned. Here's some important tips. Assemble the base horizontally in the intended position for use. Do not fully tighten the bolts until the item is fully assembled. Periodically check and retighten all bolts. Disclaimer: any damages caused to the bed frame due to incorrect assembly will be replaced at your own cost. Please keep the packaging in case you need to return your bed frame. Warranty information. The first 12 months are covered by a full factory guarantee against faulty workmanship and materials. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled your Sloom Upholstered Bed Frame. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please contact our support team.